Welcome to the top best. The best Invisalign Whitening Foam is probably one of the most innovative solutions for maintaining a bright smile during your orthodontic treatment, offering a convenient and effective way to tackle stains and discoloration without compromising your aligners or oral hygiene routine, ensuring your journey to a straighter smile is also a visibly brighter one. Number 5. M3 Invisalign Retainer Cleanser Tablets. Tired of odors and discoloration on your retainers? Our powerful tablets are designed to tackle tough stains and plaque. Keep your aligners fresh and clean with ease. Say goodbye to unpleasant odors. These cleansing tablets effectively neutralize smells, ensuring your mouth guard always feels fresh. Enjoy a minty clean every time you wear it. Our formula penetrates deep to remove stubborn discoloration and plaque buildup. Achieve a thorough clean that restores the clarity of your dental appliances. It's the perfect solution for daily maintenance. This 4-month supply ensures you're always prepared. Keep your retainers, dentures, and mouth guards in pristine condition without constant reordering. It's a convenient and economical choice. Experience a refreshing mint flavor with every use. Our cleanser leaves your dental devices feeling revitalized and smelling great. Enjoy the confidence of a truly clean mouth guard. Whether you use Invisalign, dentures, or mouth guards, our tablets are suitable for all. They provide a gentle yet effective clean for a variety of dental appliances. Keep them all looking and feeling their best. What we like. This option tackles odors, discoloration, and plaque effectively. If you're looking for a comprehensive cleaner that keeps your retainers fresh and stain-free, this is a solid choice. It's ideal for daily maintenance to prevent buildup and maintain hygiene. What people say. It's a great way to keep my aligners fresh and clean between brushing. I love that it helps remove stains and keeps my aligners looking clear. Number 4. Retainer Brite Cleaning Tablets. Introducing Retainer Brite, the ultimate cleaning solution for your clear retainers, aligners, and mouth guards. Keep your dental appliances fresh and clean with ease. Simply soak your dental appliances daily for the best results. Our fast-acting formula ensures a thorough clean every time. Say goodbye to odors. These tablets keep your retainers, mouth guards, and night guards clean and odor-free, ensuring a pleasant experience. Each package contains 120 individually wrapped tablets, providing a 4-month supply. That's plenty to keep your appliances bright and fresh for months. Proudly made in the USA, our cleaning tablets are designed for patients with removable dental appliances. Experience the difference of a superior clean. Whether you use Invisalign, night guards, or sports mouth guards, our tablets are perfect for maintaining their clarity and freshness. What we like. This product ensures your aligners stay odor-free and fresh. If you want a quick and effective solution for daily cleaning of various dental appliances, this is it. It's perfect for those who need a reliable, fast-acting cleaner for their retainers, mouth guards, or night guards. What people say. The foam is easy to use and doesn't require any extra steps. It effectively whitens teeth without causing sensitivity. The foam is a great addition to my Invisalign routine. Number 3. Auraglow 35% Teeth Whitening Gel. Achieve a brighter smile with our Dentist Strength Whitening Gel. It's formulated with carbamide peroxide for effective stain removal. This gel is perfect for use with your existing teeth trays, retainers, or aligners. Get professional results from the comfort of your home. Each package provides enough gel for 30 whitening treatments. That's a full month of brighter smiles. The gel comes in 3 easy-to-use 5 ml syringes. This ensures precise application and minimal waste. Transform your smile with this powerful yet gentle formula. Experience the confidence that comes with visibly whiter teeth. What we like. This offers dentist strength whitening for your aligners and trays. If you are seeking to actively whiten your teeth while wearing your aligners, this gel is designed for you. It's suitable for individuals who want a more intense whitening effect beyond just cleaning. What people say. This product is a great addition to my Invisalign routine, helping to keep my aligners fresh and clean. I noticed a significant improvement in the clarity of my aligners after using this foam regularly. The foam is easy to dispense and apply, making it a convenient part of my daily oral hygiene. Number 2. EverSmile AlignerFresh Original Clean Foam. Discover the revolutionary way to keep your aligners fresh and clean. This foam is designed for daily use, ensuring optimal hygiene for your oral appliances. Compatible with Invisalign and all other clear aligners and retainers, it makes maintenance simple. Just a quick application is all it takes to keep them sparkling. It actively eliminates odor-causing bacteria, helping to maintain a fresh mouth. Plus, it gently whitens your teeth with every use. Say goodbye to bad breath caused by aligner wear. This powerful formula ensures your breath stays fresh throughout the day. Each pack contains 50 milliliters of our effective cleaning foam. It's the perfect size for your daily routine, whether at home or on the go. Upgrade your aligner care routine with AlignerFresh Original Clean Foam. Experience a cleaner, fresher, and brighter smile effortlessly. What we like. This foam actively eliminates bacteria, whitens teeth, and combats bad breath. If you desire a multi-action cleaner that also provides a whitening benefit and freshens your breath, this is an excellent option. It's great for those who want their aligners to contribute to a brighter smile and fresher mouth. What people say. It is a great product for whitening and cleaning aligners. This foam is effective in removing stains and keeping aligners fresh. Number 1. EverSmile AlignerFresh Original Clean Foam. Discover the revolutionary way to keep your aligners fresh and clean. This foam is designed for daily use, ensuring optimal hygiene. It works seamlessly with Invisalign and all other clear aligners and retainers. Enjoy a perfect fit and effortless cleaning every time. Our advanced formula actively eliminates odor-causing bacteria. It also gently whitens your teeth, leaving them looking brighter. Say goodbye to bad breath with our powerful cleaning action. Feel confident with a fresh and clean mouth throughout the day. This convenient 2-pack ensures you always have a supply on hand. Each bottle contains 50 milliliters of our effective cleaning foam. Upgrade your aligner care routine with AlignerFresh. Experience the confidence of clean aligners and a fresh smile. What we like. This value pack offers a convenient way to keep aligners bacteria-free and teeth whiter. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution that delivers on cleaning, whitening, and odor control, this multi-pack is ideal. It's perfect for consistent users who want to stock up and maintain their oral hygiene and smile brightness. What people say. It whitens teeth without sensitivity. It is easy to use and doesn't require trays. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.